Hi everyone, Petal is Blessed here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on with another fun-filled DIY to share with you guys. Yes, I am. And welcome to my channel if you're new. Thank you so much for clicking on and taking the time to come see what I have to share with you guys today. And don't forget to press that subscribe button and press the bell so you can get notified every time I upload another DIY to share. Yes, and if you're one of my returning subscribers, thank you very much. I really appreciate the love and support that you give to me with each video I put out. Alright everyone, let's get into the items that we'll be using for today's DIY. Alright everyone, here's the items that we're using for today's DIY, and as usual, they will be listed down below in the description box. Alright everyone, let's get started! Alright, I have these plate mats that we got from Dollar Tree, and I have some bling here, and I'll be using this Fabric Infusion permanent fabric adhesive that I got from Walmart. And now we're going to be using our black bling wrap that we got from Totally Dazzled, and using the same fabric adhesive going right around our placemats. Now I'll be placing the silver bling wrap. Same thing, going all around our placemats. Now that our strips are all done, I'll be adding these gems from Totally Dazzled just to give a little bit more glam to our placemat. And here's our finished look. I think they look very nice. All dressed up and glammed out. Yes, make your table setting look even more lovely than before. Yes, it would, with just plain placemats. These ones all glammed up and nice, you know. They're from the Dollar Tree. They cost $1 each, and then we just added some stuff to them, and they look lovely now. Absolutely beautiful. And here's our table all done up. Yes. Well, not all done up, half done up. But I just wanted to show you guys how it would look. Yes, and I think it looks lovely. It's a lovely table decor. Just something nice to spruce up your table for any occasion that you're having, whether you're having a lovely dinner at home, or you're inviting guests over, or you're at a function. Yes, it looks very nice. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed how we took these plain Dollar Tree plate mats and just bling them out and dress them up. Now they look like you got them from an expensive store, yes. But you know you didn't. Diva on a budget, yes we all are. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think about them. And thank you so much for coming on and seeing this DIY that I had to share with you all today. And press that like, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button. Alright everyone, once again thank you so much for coming on and seeing the DIY that I had to share with you today. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petal is Blessed. Bye bye everyone.